Izana hai tayan ka muda ya. Ona nuam dai nuam tua. Muttu khop me. Aso sur dona sur trek ka kapuiri. Thunderstorm is almost here, and this is our morning breakfast. This is the view. MSK này meka. Am tadi kaco talak ina buai itu dua. Buai tandon. Besok kan dua lim ini. In our background, the thunderstorm is going on. So after some time we will be going to the forest. Let's see. Cho ikam toa. Masih raso ruah cho yuten ve lightning nasalu toa. But this is the weather I love. Antarika, what about you? Do you love this weather?
No, I want to go inside the forest without digging.
We can go inside the forest even in this weather. Let's go. We have to go. Whoa!
नहीं है, अब कैप्चर नहीं हुआ ये वाला।
वो वाला नहीं हुआ, ये वाला भी हुआ है। ये वाला खतरनाक था, ये भाई बहुत ऊपर है, सीधा इधर ही एक गिरेगा अभी।
प्लीज मत बोलो ना, हम यहीं पे रो देगा।
वो गांव में लगा ना वो वाला।
हाँ।
टावर में।
पीछे वाला। हाँ।
ओ आया, साइड में आया। I think our field work today is stuck. We can't go to the forest today. Maybe it's still a bit early. It's 8, just 9 a.m. Maybe 10 a.m. or before 12 p.m. 12 in the noon. The rain will stop. Then we can go. चलो कड़को बिजली Oh. The god is appearing in front of us. The god is coming in front of us. Oh.
अभी बंद किया, अभी आया।
नहीं, ज़्यादा आया था क्या बड़ा वाला?
इतना भी नहीं, लेकिन हम बंद किया ही था वीडियो।
हवा शुरू हो गया। ऐसा लग रहा है हम सिनेमा के अंदर हैं। हाँ। This is pure cinema.
Absolute cinema.
I wish I could fly my drone, but I couldn't. Soon we will be flying. Ui, come on. Kem khát mình luôn. Kem khát anh có tầm ní thôi. We're here. We are already fucked. Buồn quá em. Mà sao lâu không được không ạ? Super pretty. Ruachu Sur Toloa. So we are at 103 meter elevation as per Antarika. Just yeah, as per GPS. Ruachu Sur Toloa. Ikan choche pa. Ikan ikin kongan ya. Ikan chow kongan ni dona. He tatang akan kan chow le dona. Ruachu lai chuan nuam lu tua. Ni po savuk sila avot. Pai adai nuam lu tua tuna lum le to. So our team pudinga ve OMS ka. OMS a ve hei Antarika ai chuan ano puhunga. तुम्हारे आगे मैं जाऊंगा, रुको।
आपका फोन कहाँ दिखा?
पॉकेट में। khai phẳng ấy rồi. So, Pualreng akan comek. So. Church ट्रक ऑफ ट्रक हो मैं जहाँ से आया हाँ गन छो में खे ऑफ ट्रक कुछ पकड़ने की जरूरत नहीं सीधा आ जाओ ग्रिप काफ़ी अच्छा है आ जाओ सीधा आ जाओ अरे सीधा आ जाओ हाँ स्पाइडरमैन जैसे आ जाओ कोई बात नहीं तुम्हारा तो शू अच्छा है वो स्पाइडरमैन जैसा आ रहा है स्पाइडर ओमन वो देखो भालू आ रहा है देयर इज ए बियर या वी सॉ ए बियर crawling under us sky like and lang pang azira
chuan hey an mani hi species sang chau ani hey hi sanga
Ông lấy hang hầu hi
hang hoi chu bright fight kan tiang chi te ma hnim nei pa ngai leng deuh kan ta mo hang hoi chu pat ek ni nang khan an ju nei em to lo mani chu thak sing ang khan lom ve hei hi hon tur hemi top thi tin chin chiang o
đã tốt bọn thầy hiện lâu tốt ông thực không
mun mau mun chua balha forest ani balha thing banana plant forest it's all our wild bananas over here you can see some species of ant I think this is not kai don't put your feet on this never step on ants if they will get angry your day will be ruined बहुत चीटी है इधर देखो बहुत सारा आंट है भाई दे आर ऑलरेडी डिस्टर्ब्ड फॉरेस्ट दार कार्चन वेनी तो हाँ कन ला छौ चार so kamu antari kai lo cho mek chuan kamasa we mesa te an cho meka it's the omen in the wild shout out to her see my mom chikat spider and its nest abu ani camouflage with abu nen arong khachu is totally camouflage in its nest is guarding now its egg oh beautiful darkar khata ni to na pa chome ase ita hai zola kan check to just few more steps yes so finally we spot one tree where there is clear sign of deer this must be Himalayan black deer you can see the size of it just see wow
इधर वाला छोटा है
this is another one
लेकिन
alone dan chu kan niam din ano lona chon hak chu ate de upo ma ano te po mai thei chuan lai po hei ama chuan he tan ka to ma chung me kha po ma ada kalzal pui ta kani that's a perfect tree for cloud leopard it's a huge tree
ऐसा ट्री में बैठे वो लोग रेस्टिंग एरिया
resting area also there, hunting area. They can, but this tree is not connected with other canopy tree, so yeah, it's still a suitable tree but not anymore. Okay, let's move ahead. We are following the ants and ants are following us. Too much fun. How beautiful this is. Ini may kankal na kong ramaya. Ito chakop may. So Pualreng Sanctuary bokal to Pualreng National Park te phong pui te kal to Pualreng Sanctuary chuan a cho lir kong nia chuan thing lian pui tan tama Pualreng Sanctuary chuan la chu thing lian pui po oma ma pe kan lam mu ya lu de kan la tan lo kem khat ling trep. Whoa, so we saw something there. Wow, sorry. Oh, ini kamu itu ingin ni join. Huh? See. Oh, these are some insects.
I don't know.
Insects and the fungus growing on them, maybe.
They're still alive, okay.
They can move. They have legs. They're some kind of insects, like looking like directly from heaven. So I'll show you one. Here is one. You can move. See. Oh, they can jump like a spider. Oh, see,
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
see, they can jump. Hey, send it.
ये वीडियो मुझे देना है. क्या है?
You saw that insect? Did you see that insect? Man, it's fucking beautiful. So here's the forest. Oh, nice place. See, the marking there is mostly kind of the ground dwelling birds make this kind of mark during mud bath and all.
आपका चैनल में मेरा पूरा मजाक चैनल बनेगा.
हाँ, ये तुम ही बना रहे हो खुद का अभी बोल के.
मम्मी.
मम्मी को याद करने से मम्मी नहीं आने वाली. Lichens tuh yang so many name.
RCX.
RCX. Oh.
Itu kan dari bong tu pun tu. Mau tam hoki.
There is another tree where you saw the bear mark, but it's very old. You can see it's very old. बहुत पुराना मार्क है. Vanggot अच्छी itu kan ninong kaya nih. Apot trip ni hi men kaya vanggot chi ni china kati kha an chaklu duga mo Hey, sabdonen. Cemin.
Ồ.
Chú có môi về là.
À, ấy chi đi mà nó mà lo.
Wow.
Nhìn là.
thì họ hiện có thể thấy rất là đẹp. Ốc kim thì tăng tầm con chín phút rồi.
Oh, there is a slug here. This is not a snail, this is a slug. As you can see, its cover is soft, very soft. As a snail cover is hard, but this slug's cover is very soft. They don't have any protective layer around it. And very null, very slippery. Pualreng Sanctuary. Kan let to kan chụp mấy cả kan trap chụp cốt mấy nó sẽ bằng ấy nào bóc ló mà vào sút chung cắt leng ta ta cần lum back to our base. Fucking hot. I don't know how much I drink my sweat. Maybe 1 liter. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.